If you are starting to learn SQL, one of the most important things to understand is the SQL syntax. Think of the syntax as the grammar of SQL, the rules that tell the database what you want it to do. And in this part, I will walk you through the basic SQL syntax and the keywords that you need to know. Okay, so let us start. Here in my code editor, which is VS Code, I'm going to create a file called the SQL.sql. Okay, SQL.sql. Okay, like that. Okay, so here I'm going to first tell you about the SQL statements. Okay, and you need to know that SQL works through statements, and each statement is usually ends with a semicolon. Okay, and the statements are made up of keywords like select, insert, or update plus the details you want. Okay, so for example, we can write select there, and here we can use this asterisk, select asterisk from, want to select asterisk from employees. Okay, employees. Okay, and this statement tells the database get everything from the table called employees. Okay, you should note that this one is the name of the table. Okay, is the name of the table, and this one, these ones the SQL keywords. Okay, from and select. Okay, and this one, the asterisk tells all. Okay, specifies that all. Okay, everything. Okay, everything. Okay, this one. Okay, so for instance, if we want to get only those like the column, okay, or like certain columns, okay, we could specify them like this. Okay, we can get the name, we can select the names, or the name, the first name column like this, first name column like this, second name column, second name column like that. Okay, but right now here we are selecting all. Okay, we want to select all. Okay, all the columns. Okay, so let us now take a look at the sensitivity, the case sensitivity. Okay, so in SQL, keywords like select, from, and where are not case sensitive. Okay, so they are all the same. Okay, so for example here, these ones, for example, select this one, select that one. Okay, and even this one, select. Okay, they are the same. Okay, they are the same. Okay, even if we try from that, from, and this one, and even this one, from, they are the same. Okay, they are the same. So just know SQL does not mind about case sensitivity. Okay, unless you tell it that you want. Okay, and you can do that only for a specific database. Okay, only for a specific database. Okay, so for example here we can so let us okay, as you can see, so I want you to know that the table names and the column names can be case sensitive depending on the database. Okay, and that's why it's common. It's a common practice to write keywords in upper cases, and a table or a column names in lower cases or mixed case. Okay, so let us now take a look at the clauses in SQL. Okay, a SQL statement is usually broken down into parts called clauses. Okay, and the first one, for example, this one, the select, that one, the select, it is termed as the select clause. Okay, and even this one, the from is called the from, or the from clause. Okay, and even this one, the where, okay, is the where clause. Okay, this one selects this one, the select. Okay, this one here, it selects what columns, okay, we want. Okay, and this one okay, specifies which table we are using. Okay, and this one where filters the result. Okay, and this is the basic pattern. Okay, you will see in almost every query. Okay, so for example, can use select which specify the columns that we want. We want to select the first name, okay, first name, second name column, From there we want to get them from which table? From the employees table. Okay, then we need to use where. Okay, so where, this one where filters the result where we can, for instance, if we had a column of department, so department from where our department equals, we can select only the departments, only parts where the department is IT. Okay, the department is IT. Okay. Okay, so let us now, we have seen that, let us now take a look at white space and formatting. Okay, so SQL ignores extra spaces and line breaks. Okay, so you can write everything on one line, okay, or spread it out. Okay, so for example, like this one, okay, like this one that we are using, we can also do it like this. Okay, for example, on one line. Okay, on one line like that. As you can see, we can do it that way. Okay, we can do it that way. As you can see, we write everything on one line. Okay, select first name, second name from employees, where department equals to IT. Okay, we can write it that way. Okay, so SQL does not mind about white spaces. Okay, the spaces you leave, you can even leave here too, like that. Okay, it doesn't mind about it. You can do like that, it doesn't mind about it. Okay, so that is the basic SQL syntax you need to know. Okay.